If you ever wondered about using Zippay in-store, then you're in the right place. In this video, we're diving into the tap-to-pay feature of Zippay, making in-store transaction a piece of cake. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so with Zippay, you've got two ways to make in-store magic happen: the barcode and the QR code. If the barcode is your go-to for in-store shopping, then start by opening your Zippay app, then click on the pay icon, then choose in-store, and now tap on the generate barcode, and then choose which account you want to use. Then tap generate barcode again, then just hand that 6-digit code to the cashier. So once you hand over the 6-digit code to the cashier, they will punch it into the store system, and the system will check and handle the code linking it with your Zippay account. And there you go, your transaction is officially confirmed and you're good to shop without any hassle. Now, if you're thinking about using the QR code for your in-store shopping, here's what you need to do. Open your Zippay app and find the pay icon. Then choose in-store from the options, then hit scan QR code. Now, before you do this, pick the account you want to use. It's like choosing the right card from your wallet. And with your account selected, line up your phone's camera with the QR code in the store. It's like taking a quick picture. Then once it's all lined up, then the app do its thing and your buy is good to go. Just a quick heads up that the unique codes you generate, whether through barcode or QR, have a lifespan of 5 minutes. So be sure to use them promptly. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, drop a comment, share this content, and subscribe for more guides and tips.